Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will cover how can we create a new project in few clicks. Prerequisite is to be true, we must be having Node or NPM server since we are developers, and we need a Google account, we need a GitHub account. So we must be having all these three. Setup is quite simple. We need to use this GitHub repository, which is AEM boilerplate, which is nothing as a template. We will just we'll just create a new repository, and then we will install this AEM code sync GitHub app, which is an extension, Chrome extension. It is a very useful tool to preview or publish the pages. Simple. Finally, after these two steps, we will have the our website ready. Okay, let's first access this AEM boilerplate. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this. Paste it. I am already logged in to my GitHub account. So click on this use template, create a new repository, give it some name. I'll say Franklin demo 3. Since I already tried creating one, so Franklin demo 3, and then it is a public repository. Create repository. First step is complete, so it will generate the repository in few seconds. Yeah, it's done. Second step is we need to install that extension, which is AEM code sync GitHub. It's a GitHub application. AEM code sync, just need to install it. Click on install. Option will be displayed all repository or only for selected repository. So let's select this and select the repository which you are interested in. I just created this repository, Franklin demo 3. Select this, click on install, and this is also, and we should see this in this extension here, this AEM code sync. We call it as sidekick as well. So yeah, that's it, done. So right after that, what we can do, so the path would be, what is the branch and its main branch right now. This is the main branch, and this one main. What is the name of your project? Sorry, I just created Franklin demo 3. And what is the username? My username is this one. You need to change it, and then just that's it. This will be the path of your website. And I saw in the documentation somewhere that the maximum limit of this branch repo is 63 characters. So while you decide the repository name, please keep in mind that combination should not exceed 63 characters. Amazing. So we just created our new website in just, I think, 2 clicks. Yeah. In next videos, we will cover how can we do our local setup. We'll do some code changes on local, and then we can preview the pages, publish the pages, etc. Thank you so much for watching.